Shiba Inu's Bone has had a great start to 2023, but I think it still has a ton of potential here to grow a lot, both this year and next year. Of course, Shibarium gives Bone a huge use case, right? The governance token now within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And Bone recently is getting listed on some top exchanges. Bone recently got listed to Gate.io, a massive exchange. But here's the thing. Bone is not yet listed on the really big exchanges, the Binances, the Coinbases. Still has a ton of potential. Again, but recently, Shiba Inu's Bone makes a new listing as the Shibarium beta launch gets closer. We're seeing exchanges big and small now start listing Bone. Bone has recently entered the top 100 in all cryptos by market cap. And I think it's just beginning. I think there's still a ton of upside here for Bone. And let's dive into some of the specifics here. Recently, what happened with Bone and this new listing in particular. Of course, we mentioned the governance token in the SHIB ecosystem and the gas token of upcoming Shibarium protocol has scored a new listing. Crypto lending platform CoinRabbit has announced it has finally listed Bone. The crypto lending platform had earlier stated it would list Bone back on March 13th of last year, but decided to do it earlier for the love of Shiba Inu's community. Excuse me, they actually said they're going to list it this year on the 13th, but they went ahead and listed it a few days earlier. We promised to list Bone on March 13th. We didn't want to wait that long. They wanted to get the asset on their platform, and they did that just yesterday. So CoinRabbit claims to be the first lending platform supporting Bone. In the week, Bone made its debut on one of the oldest crypto exchanges, Polynex. Bone is gaining increased attention ahead of the Shibarium beta release, which is slated to go live very soon. Of course, the beta release sometime this week, which leaves us today or tomorrow. As reported, Shytoshi asked the community to please wait for the official announcements. At the time of this writing, Bone was enjoying a positive price action, actually up in the last 24 hours, which is crazy because Bone has really bucked the trend recently in that it's showing some good signs of life, even in a red market. There you go. It's up 4%, sitting at $1.62, ranked number 90 on the big board. You could see what Bone has done here in the past 3 months. Nice, steady growth upwards. Volume down a little bit here in the last 24 hours, but that's across the board. But Bone still remaining very strong, and I think it has a ton of upside here as we roll along with Shibarium. And again, Bone is steadied in the rank of the top 100 cryptos. I think this is soon to be a top 75, top 50 crypto by market cap as soon as Shibarium is released. It's going to provide even more use case. Supply and demand tells us that, hey, listen, all the Bone is out there, okay? It's in the circulating supply, and that should be a great sign for the future of Bone and future price action, especially when this overall economic environment turns better for us and we get back rolling into into the next bull run. I really think Bone's going to be one to watch. So keep in mind, it's not financial advice. Do your own due diligence, do your own homework, but I'm loving what we're seeing out of Bone right now to start the year and where it could be heading in the months and years to come. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Check out my Bybit link if you're looking to trade crypto. I've been ramping it up here in the last 4 or 5 months and recently made a little bit of money shorting the market. That's the great thing about trading. You can make money when the market goes up and when it goes down. You don't just have to wait for the market to move up. Bybit link down below in the description. Appreciate you guys. See you in the next video.